Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Desai. We're live from Bengaluru and we are at the second edition of ET Entrepreneur Summit. I have with me Paroma Chatterjee, who's the CEO of Revolt India. Hi, Paroma, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you, and thanks for having me here.
Paroma, what's the role of AI in personal finance and how is it shaping the landscape?
AI, in my perspective, is the true disruptive force that is changing the way people money. If you start with onboarding themselves for a financial product or a service, AI is enabling companies like us at Revolut to do really exhaustive sanctions checks from all across the world to really know your customer. It is enabling us to do identity authentication, like when somebody shows their passport or their Aadhaar card, for us to verify with a face match whether it is actually the person whose video KYC is being done and the document is matching that person. So enables us to authenticate customers really soundly, do their back checks across their social media and other platforms, other financial organizations that they may have a relationship with, to ensure you're onboarding the right customer in the first place. Then once the customer is onboarded, AI enables you to offer really good products which are hyper personalized to each customer. So earlier, customers were used to having standard products and choose whether you will take this or not. As an example, a home loan, for example, with a certain interest rate that is available. AI allows you to look at a customer's behavior and pattern across various businesses and literally hyper personalize an individual's loan offering, for example, right down to the interest rate, fee, tenor, everything to an individual. So products can be tailor made. Then it enables you to make transactions affordable. Like at Revolut, we use AI and Gen AI to place global trades, which allows us to offer competitive forex rates to customers, because at the back end we have AI placing very intelligent trades to ensure that our FX risks are under control and we can pass that benefit to customers. So during the customer's life cycle and journey with you, it enables you to do that seamlessly. Then it enables you to look at customers' behavior data to cross sell and upsell the right products, because it's no longer a blanket, just a telecall. Will you take this also from us? It's moved beyond that. You look at what the customer actually needs based on their life stage, and you focus and you offer customers what else they need through knowledge and use of intelligence rather than random spray and pray, which used to happen earlier. All the way, therefore, through the customer's life cycle, from onboarding to transactions to decisioning, I think it permeates every aspect of financial product acceptance on digital right now, which is really being the true disruptive force behind this entire digital revolution that we're seeing in financial services.
What's your experience been at the India Entrepreneur Summit so far?
Oh, it's fabulous. I think creating this forum to have entrepreneurs gather and the kind of people who've been here, my co panelists who are speaking, the level of conversations on topics which are relevant right now, like the digital economy to AI and Gen AI that we're talking about. I think it is beautifully curated and I think it's useful for most people who have made an appearance over here. So thank you for having me.
Glad to have you here at the ET Entrepreneur Summit. Thank you, Paroma.